Hello everyone and welcome to Taylor Wimpey at Shore Valley. My name's Alex, one of the sales executives, and I'm pleased to introduce you to one of our most exciting new developments. We have a fantastic range of 2 to 5 bedroom homes, many with parking for 3 cars and a number with double garages. Taylor Wimpey have invested in sustainability champions throughout the UK whose primary role is to help shape processes and procedures to limit our impact on the environment. Taylor Wimpey are working in partnership with the environmental charity BugLife. Taylor Wimpey's future goal is to have wildlife ponds and reptile and amphibian hibernation zones in all of its developments.
Welcome to the open house here at Shore Valley. We're extremely proud of what we do and what we build. We want to show you behind the scenes at the quality of our homes. As you take a tour around the open house, you're going to see how we build right from below ground all the way to a finished room as you move in. The insulation is extremely important in all of our homes. It's what keeps the heat in and the cold out. We want our homes to be as energy efficient as possible. A few of the ways that we do this are low energy lighting, dual zone heating and localised thermostatic radiator valves. Our open house has been done to show you different stages throughout the build of your home so that you can see what goes on behind the walls. Each room is at a different stage so you can see right from below the floor all the way to the finished product. Today we invited local school children to plant herbs in our herb garden and have a look around our open house. At Taylor Wimpey we're doing our best to make sure we reuse, recycle and upcycle any of our waste materials where possible. We try our best to make a difference in the communities where we build. We work with schools, sports clubs and community groups to offer a wide range of support.
As part of our school enrichment programme, it's really important for us to get the children outside into the local environment and for them to actually come and see actually how are the local houses in our environment built, what are the stages in the process of a house being built, and actually thinking, okay, this is part of our community, let's get out there and find out a little bit more about it. It's really important that large companies such as Taylor Wimpey really play a part with the local community, and we want to learn how to protect that, and very much the children have a responsibility, as do we as adults, to find ways to adapt to changes that we have in our local environment. But yeah, very much the children are very keen, very interested to really get involved.